Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you a little mini eyeshadow tutorial using the Take Me Back to Brazil palette from BH Cosmetics. So for the transition, I'm going to be taking this hot pink and I'm going to be blending that through my crease, of course. Now I'm not setting my crease down because we're working with super vibrant colors. I just want to give them a chance to be really pigmented. Not that they aren't already, but just that extra chance, and I've been really loving doing this lately. So I'm just going to go with the flow and blend that on through my crease. Then to build up some definition, I'm going to go ahead and take this purple shade right here and run this right through my crease, but really trying to build up. It's really hard to tell because of my camera saturation, but this is actually a very purple shade, so we're trying to build up that purple color. I'm then going in with this super deep purple here, and I'm going to take this a bit closer to my lid but still almost on the crease, but I'm then going to drag it down on towards my lid as well, which will make sense later, but I'm dragging it all the way through. Then I'm just going to go back in and make sure that there are no harsh lines and that everything's blending together seamlessly. Next, I took the black from the palette and I popped this on a really dense brush, and I just popped this on the outer corner just to really give it that extra depth. Then, of course, blending that out because we don't want any harsh lines, especially if it's black. Then I just went ahead and cut the crease, and like I said in my last video, I don't set this at all because I find that one is way more easy and quicker. Two, I feel like everything just sets down easier and more pigmented on it. So it's a win-win. Then setting that down with a stark white. There are two whites in the palette. One I think is actually shimmery and the other is matte. I just took the matte one and packed this all over my lid till I built up the color that I wanted. Then to make more of a gradient on the lid, I just took that same deep purple color we used before, and I'm just kind of blending it through so it all looks very seamless and nice and gradient. And then I took this glitter liner from NYX. If you want to know which one it is, you can ask me in the comments. I don't remember it right now, sorry. But I feel like it just adds a little bit of extra. I also lined my top lash line with a ColourPop liner. But that is it for this video. I really like how this turned out, and I hope you did. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!